1988 Roadtrek Dodge Ram 250 with the 318. Got to replace the fuel injectors. This throttle body. It's not such a bad job. This is an old van. Okay, 318 TBI 1988. Throttle body fuel injection. Going to replace these two fuel injectors which are under these plastic caps. Batteries disconnected. Took out the fuel pump gauge, released the pressure. Very little pressure actually. And so the first job is Torx. Remove this Torx screw right here. Don't drop it. I have a little magnet here ready, just in case. Underneath here is a little bushing. Right there. Make sure that comes. Don't drop that. Take note of which way it goes. Flat to the back, two little points go to the front. The two caps just pop up. Sometimes need a little pry, but generally just pop up like that. And underneath here you'll notice there's a little indentation right there, which matches the one on here. So you can't really go wrong. You notice the angle right there. Taking these high quality channel locks. Don't force it, just a little gentle. There we go. I'm not sure these are bad, but it's been acting up a little bit. So you can try. I have one new one in. This is the second new one. Don't need very much pressure. A little push. Back onto the caps. snug up the screw. And time to hook back up the battery fuel line off here. I also replaced the temperature sender. The gauge wasn't working, and I'm feeling that was probably the issue with some of the running problems as well. 2 wire. 1 wire I believe goes to the gauge, 1 goes to the computer. So if it's not working, it can mess up a few things. It's way down in there. Okay, it's time to go back out, hook up the battery, and we'll see if it starts. Okay, battery hooked up, fuel pump fuse back in, smoke alarm going off in the garage, not on fire. I got the exhaust. I'm outside the garage but the door's open. Smoke detectors obviously worked. Okay, here we go. Maybe. Running, vacuum leak right here. It goes on the breather when it goes back on. Sounds pretty good in the yard. I think it's for a test drive, but so far so good. And it's quite an easy job. Next job is spark plug, wires, distributor cap, and hopefully that's it. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, took it for a ride. Working really well. Going smooth. Well worth doing. Still kind of suspect the temperature sensor was the one that was giving me the issues. So anyway, we'll see how it works.